What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Gonna go over our friend Matic, currently sitting at 41 cents, up 0.5 on the day. Market cap 4.16 billion, 24 volume 163 million. So here we have a beautiful 1, 2, 3 pullback corrective in a wave 4. So if we can hold this pullback, see continuation, we can push up in the wave 5. Now in the short term, you may see a little bit of pullback if Bitcoin does continue to pull back a little bit more. Then this could be the first micro impulse for Matic to the upside. And then you would see a small pullback that would take you down in between. Let me move this over. You can see we beautifully bounced off our wave 4 pullback zone. In between the 50% at 0.0408, the 78.6 at 0.0400. That's if we pull back from here. Look for a bounce from that target zone. If we start to break the 78.6 at 40 cents, that gives you a higher probability of coming down and putting in a lower low. But as of right now, perfect bounce from our wave 4 pullback zone. So if we do just continue to push up from here, I can give you a quick target for that wave 5. Take a trend-based extension from the bottom of 2 to the top of 3 to the bottom of 4. And you would target, usually I like to target, the normal target is the 61.8, but I like to target in between the 61.8, currently at about 45 cents, and the 78.6. At 0.466, if we look on the weekly chart, it's crazy. We came all the way back down to the bear market low. My bag of Matic, I think it's around 90 cents or $1 right now, which is perfectly fine. I mean, once we get going, it will just explode back to the upside. But incredible to see it all the way back down at 31 cents at these lows here. Incredible time to DCA in my opinion. Of course, if we can start to push back up, we're quite low on our RSI and our money flow, get back above those daily EMAs, then we're good to go back to the upside. But until then, if we were to lose that bear market low, then obviously we could drop back down into the 20-cent range. But as of right now, on the smaller time frames, beautiful 3 waves up. So we need to complete that wave 5 to give us more confirmation that a low is in. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at for Matic. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America, 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees when you sign up through my link. My trading group is free, guys, which include my daily crypto analysis for many coins, as well as my Forex signals. We're already crushing it in the first 3 weeks of trading Forex. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.